In this video, I'm going to be testing out the Glam Edition BELLAVENA Polygel kit. Wow, that's a mouthful. I was also given the butterfly kit, which I'll show later on. So as far as packaging, this is probably my favourite polygel kit. I love the colour scheme and just the whole thing overall looks really pristine. The first thing in this box is a chart with all the nail shapes on it. Comment down below your favourite shape. Pause this if you have to, because I really want to know. On the other side is a ruler, which is really cool. I mean, I probably am not ever going to actually measure my nails because you kind of eyeball it to see what you want, but that is a cool thing to have. Next are the polygels, which are 15 grams each. I couldn't tell you what that is in ounces, so I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen. There is also the little booklet with all the instructions in it. And then there's a box inside of the box with more goodies. First, there is a mini UV lamp with a USB. Mine was a little bit scuffed, and after inspecting it, I think it just got shaken a lot during shipping. There is also these sharp tweezers, which I'm so glad I have, because sometimes picking up rhinestones is the worst job if you don't have the right tools. So I'm glad I have those. Next are these polygel clips, which if you do the lazy girl method or use dual forms, you can clip it on there instead of having to hold the nail. I've never tried them because I assume that the polygel will seep out, but I don't know, I might give them a try. There is slip solution, and I'm really happy when companies add these to their kit. And there is also some rhinestones. I really like the blue ones. There are dual forms. I don't particularly care for dual forms very much. I've made them work in the past, but I would just rather use a full coverage nail tip. But for a starter kit, I think it's the perfect thing to add. There is base coat and top coat, a brush and picker, and lastly a nail file. So I'm just going to quickly show what is in the butterfly kit. So it comes with 2 containers of just several different color butterflies. There are also, I think it's 10 sheets of the gold butterfly stickers. And there was also this cute little card, and I think it had a barcode that said claim your free gift. There are also those pink tweezers, and these are the sheets. I'm not going to show every single one because a lot of them are similar. I really wish they had some silver ones in here because I do already have these, and when I did use them, they didn't look very nice on me. But anyways, the next thing are these really nice rhinestones. They shine like bluish purple and I can't wait to use them. And then here is a close-up of the butterflies. Now I'm going to swatch the polygels. So I don't know if I said before, but this is an all glitter polygel kit, which I'm really happy about because I don't have any of those. I only have maybe one glitter polygel. Never mind, no, I have a glitter polygel kit from Glam. If you guys are interested in getting this kit, I have a discount code where you can get 20% off of these kits or anything off the website. They also have 5 other polygel kits with different colours. So these are the colours side by side. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favourite one. Mine is probably the gold and the light blue, but I already know not to attempt using the gold because I always try to make gold happen and then realize it doesn't suit me. For this set, I'm going to be doing the lazy girl method, but before I start that, I'm going to use my Macart peel off base coat. So for this set, I'm going to use the blue butterflies on the right. The idea I had was to do like a reverse glitter ombre into a clear. So what I did was I painted the tip of the nail with top coat and then encapsulated those blue butterflies. After staring at this set for maybe an hour or so, I realized how much I didn't really like them. They're not terrible. I just think it looks a little bit too busy, like there's just a lot going on. But I was mostly concerned on trying to only use what was sent to me, and that made it a little bit challenging as far as trying to find out a design. I'm also in my creative funk. I mean, by the time this goes out, I won't be, but it's not the worst set I've done. But I feel like because it is glitter, it doesn't look too bad. Once I have all my butterflies cured into place, I'm going to start applying the Polygel. So a quick review on the Polygel. So when I'm using Polygel for the first time, the first thing I look out for is how firm or how soft it is. This one is definitely on the softer side, but I'm gonna assume glitter polygels. My bad, that was my dryer going off. But anyways, my assumption is that glitter polygels are always on the softer side. That's only based off of the 2B Glam that I have, and I think I have one from Model 1s, which is also soft. I don't know, if you guys have glitter polygels, let me know if they're always soft or if some of them are firm. So the technique for this, if anyone does want to try it, is once you get your polygel where you want it to start fading, keep your brush on the drier side, and as you're working down towards the tip, it kind of spreads the glitter out in an ombre fashion. Once I was done curing them onto my nails, I buffed the surface. I don't even know why I did this. Oh, I did this because sometimes when you get too much alcohol on the nail tip, it turns the tip white. What's weird is if you go in with more alcohol and wipe it off, it comes off, but sometimes I just like to buff it just for peace of mind. Here I'm just applying some top coat. Whenever I do glitter nail sets, this is my favorite part, putting on the top coat to reveal that shine. It's just so satisfying to watch. By the way, if this voiceover sounds like it's all over the place, it is. I've been trying to get it done over a couple of days now, and every day the energy level is different, and I feel like you can hear it. Finally, I'm going in with my cuticle oil, and this is the set. Let me know what you guys think, and it is totally okay if you want to say that these are not your favorite. But if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.